Hi, this is Scott Thompson from expertvillage.com, and today I'm going to demonstrate a way to put those used CDs to use by building a small balloon hovercraft. We'll switch to the finished one that I've made. It's real similar to the one we've been working on, only it has, instead of a plastic pipe, I used a pop top from a water bottle. This adds one more feature to the CD hovercraft, in that you can adjust the opening, how much air you want to escape from the balloon. And if you use something like this instead of the plastic pipe, you don't have to use the cardboard square. So that takes out one step. All right, we'll blow it up and give it a try.